If one of your hard drive partitions suddenly disappeared, maybe your D drive is missing, or you see unallocated, or Windows just isn't showing your files, don't rush to format anything. In many cases, the data still exists, but the partition entry is damaged, hidden, or the drive letter is gone. In this video, I'll show you a safe, step-by-step method to recover your data using Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Windows, including what to check first, how to locate the missing partition using the Can't Find Drive workflow, and what to do if the partition doesn't appear on the first scan. By the way, the official download link is in the description box, and I've also pinned it in the comment section for easy access. Alright, let's recover that lost hard drive partition the right way using Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Windows. First, launch the software and start on the What to Recover screen. Here, you choose the kind of files you want back, but if you want the best chance of recovering everything from that missing partition, select All Data. This ensures Stellar searches broadly across file types during the scan, which is ideal when you're not sure what got affected. Once you click Next, you'll land on the Recover From screen. This is where most people make the mistake of scanning the wrong place. Since your problem is a lost or deleted partition, don't pick a normal drive letter. Instead, select Can't Find Drive so the software can search for partitions that are missing, deleted, or not showing up in Windows. This option is specifically meant for locating lost partitions and bringing up volumes that aren't visible under the usual connected drives list. After choosing Can't Find Drive, click Scan. A new window will appear asking you to select the disk where the partition was lost. Choose the correct physical hard drive. This is important, especially if you have multiple drives connected. Once you select that hard drive, click Search so Stellar performs a partition search and lists any partitions that are missing, deleted, or inaccessible. If your lost partition doesn't appear immediately, Stellar provides an option for a deeper or extensive partition search in the same workflow, which can help locate partitions that don't show up in the first pass. When the search results load, you'll see a list of partitions found. Pick the partition that matches the one you lost. Usually you'll recognize it by its size, position, or label, and then click Scan to begin scanning that partition for recoverable data. This scan is where Stellar builds the recoverable file tree and prepares previews, so give it time to complete, especially if the partition was large or the drive is old or slower. Once the scan finishes, you can preview the files it found. Use the preview to confirm you're looking at the correct folders and file types before recovering. After that, select the files or folders you want back and click Recover. When it asks where to save, always choose a safe location, ideally a different drive or an external storage device, because saving recovered data back to the same drive can overwrite other recoverable files and reduce your overall recovery results. Then start saving and let Stellar finish the restore process.